Mastering Daily English, Wipe the Counters. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a common household phrase that you might hear quite often: wipe the counters. Whether you're tidying up after a meal or just doing some general cleaning, understanding this phrase will help you grasp daily English conversations more effectively. So, let's dive in and get our counters, and our English, sparkling clean. The phrase, wipe the counters, is quite straightforward. It consists of two main words, wipe and counters. To wipe means to clean or dry a surface by rubbing it, usually with a cloth, tissue, or sponge. A counter refers to a long, flat surface in a kitchen or a store where you work, cook, or place items. So, when you put these words together, wipe the counters simply means cleaning the flat surfaces in your kitchen or work area by rubbing them with a cleaning tool. Wipe the counters is commonly used in both domestic and professional settings. In the home, after cooking or preparing food, you might wipe the counters to remove crumbs, spills, or any residue from food items. It's part of maintaining a clean and hygienic kitchen environment. In professional settings, in restaurants, cafes, or stores, employees are often instructed to wipe the counters to ensure a clean space for preparing food or displaying items, maintaining a presentable and sanitary environment for customers. While wipe the counters is a simple phrase, it's a great example of how English uses specific verbs for actions. The word wipe can be used in other contexts too, like wipe the table, wipe the window, or even wipe a computer, which has a different meaning, erasing data. Understanding these subtle differences can significantly enhance your fluency in everyday English conversations. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, wipe the counters. Remember, mastering a language is not just about learning the words but understanding how they fit into daily life. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using the phrase next time you're tidying up. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.